there is a mayor who is romantically involved with Mayor Alice Go.
Subject had been linked to a Pangasinan mayor.
Isang question na lang, not for Atty. Roque, but we have an officer here of the League of Municipalities.
Yes,
I would like
si
to
Paul.
ask, because I see my friend here, Mayor Batawil, no? I'd like to find out, Mayor Batawil, on your being the president yata of the League of Municipalities, no? Vice President, no? In Pangasinan, for example, do you know of any municipality that has a Pogo hub in it? And my second question is it legal or illegal? What you find out?
Your Honor, we are guided by the existing rules and regulations, and we are aware that, and it has been confirmed by the State of the Nation address by the President, that POGOs are illegal except for those who have been granted by the PAGCOR, no? Which were given up to December of this year to wind up. And on that note, the list of POGO involved municipalities were given to us, and the list is with our Secretariat of LMP. Your Honor, sir.
Yeah, do you have in Pangasinan alone? Do you have municipalities that are quite involved in having a Pogo hub?
Your Honor, I have to refer to the list which had been given to us because that is based on some facts and evidence. And as personally, mine will just be a conjecture. But based on the list that had been submitted, maybe I can base my answer to your question, Your Honor.
Is there any? I would think that there are Pogo hubs in Pangasinan. Am I right? So if there are, I would like to ask if there is a relationship with Alice Go dyan, sa mga Pogo hubs na yan.
Ko po alam kasi like her, I'm also from the farm. but I'm aware of some reports involving Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, August ng Barbers.
If I may,
Go ahead.
I was following your questioning, Congressman Abante. Perhaps we can ask Mayor Batawil if he knows if there is a mayor who is romantically involved with Mayor Alice Go from Pangasinan.
That's a revelation to me, Congressman Barber. I'd like to find out, is there?
Your Honor, hindi po ako yun. It had been said many times over that subject had been linked to a Pangasinan mayor. Pero hindi po ako yun. Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that will be the last.
Thank you,
Mr. Chair, even before.
Wait. That will be the last question. You want to interject
Yeah,
something?
Mr. Chair, I'm just asking, wala na ngayon? Or meron before? Or
Ewan ko. Mamaya na kayo mag-usap.
Congresswoman Janet, why are you interested?
Mr. Chair.
Okay, we need some funny moments, but there's another interjection from Congressman Akop. Sir, you are recognized.
I'll just follow up the question of the Honorable Abante.
Of course, I think that will be a funny moment. Go ahead.
Mayor Batawil.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. You're from Pangasinan, right? The mayor of Lingayen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know the mayor of Sual, Pangasinan?
Yes, Your Honor. He is a member of our chapter.
Is the rumor true?
Your Honor, like you as a former policeman, I base my statement on evidence.
And you do not have any evidence?
At the moment, personally, I do not have, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Oh, I said so.